Morning, amazing followers. Let's start to unlock today's Memefi daily combo. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the code is leg. Sorry, I don't want that to be slow. Remember that you need to get this code between 3 to 5 seconds, else you won't get it right. So our code is leg chest leg chest 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 leg. As you can see, we have that 100% perfect and it works amazing. I only get this in the first try. So there are some instances whereby you won't get this on the first try or on the first attempt. It could be due to the fact that your network is poor or you are very slow in tapping on those points or some other reasons. So let's look at another level for now. Alright, for level 4 we are going to try the same trick just like we used earlier in this video. So this is going to be leg chest chest sorry I have to take this again. This is leg chest 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 leg, and that should work fine. As you can see, this does not work in the first attempt, so I have to take it again. Leg chest, that's a mistake. Leg chest 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 leg. I think I make mistake in the last click. Leg chest 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 leg. Yeah, this should be correct now. You can see that this is very correct. So I get this on the third try. So sometimes you have to try about 2-3 times and make sure that you get the parts very correctly, else it won't work at all. All right, thank you. Let's look at another slide where I show how to unlock for another level.